Hey guys, Stephen here at Kopf Percussion. This is the Novato Cajon. It's part of my student series, but honestly, I build it the same way I build everything else, carefully and with purpose. I wanted to create a cajon that was accessible for people who were just getting started, but still had the sound and feel of a real professional instrument. Something you could grow with, something that didn't need anything added to it to sound great. That's what a Kopf percussion cajon is. This one's made entirely from Baltic birch plywood. I didn't choose it because it's trendy. I chose Baltic birch plywood because it works, because it's strong, it's consistent, and it already wants to respond the way that I wanted it to with this design. You can't force a drum to sound good. You build it so that it already does. This drum has two playing surfaces. One has snares and one does not. Now that gives you two completely different voices. And the separation between the snare tone and the bass tone is very distinct. That was intentional. Now, I know not every player wants that. In flamenco, for example, most of those players want to hear snare across the whole faceplate. That's part of the character of that style of playing. But a lot of players, especially if they're coming from a drum kit background, they're looking for that complete separation. They want the snare to crack and the bass to stay clean. And that's what this drum gives you. The sound hole is cut into the side, and that helps the bass tone breathe a little more. It gives the low end more presence without getting all tangled up in the snares. The dimensions of this cajon are 19 inches tall, 12 inches wide, and 12 inches deep. I wasn't trying to make something fancy. I was trying to make something honest, something that had everything it needed to sound great and nothing extra. A drum that can meet a beginner right where they're at, but it still has a place on a real stage. That's the Novato.